Reliable property inspection. We are committed to serving our customers. Our business is built on trust, integrity, and ensuring our clients have the information required to make an educated decision on one of the largest investments they'll ever make. Choosing the right property inspector can help ease your stress and give you peace of mind. When you need a property inspection, you can trust us to do the job thoroughly, every single time. We pay extreme attention to detail and work hard to set up convenient times that work with your schedule. Reliable Property Inspection LLC and its associates are INTRNACHI, Certified Home Inspectors. The International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. INTRNACHI is the world's largest trade organization of residential and commercial property inspectors. Please note, we are not licensed plumbing contractors. We highly recommend sharing our findings with a licensed plumbing contractor and obtaining an additional evaluation of the sewer line video we provide, and if applicable, an estimate for repairs. Disclaimer. Reliable Property Inspection assumes no liability or responsibility for any errors or omissions in the content of this video. Reliable Property Inspection makes no warranty of accuracy, completeness, adequacy, suitability or non-infringement concerning this video or the information or materials it contains. Reliable Property Inspection specifically disclaims any duty to update the information on this video. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. What is a sewer line inspection? A sewer line inspection involves a property inspector taking a specialized camera and running it through the sewer to look at the sewer line. The sewer line connects the house and foundation to the city sewer line or HOA tap. The images that the camera pulls up show on a monitor. This will show the inspector what the line looks like, as well as if there are any cracks, broken lines, or obstructions. Why is this important? When we walk into the yard of a home, we have no idea what is happening underground. A sewer scope inspection is a great way to see if there are any issues, and make you aware before it causes damage that is costly to repair. A damaged sewer line is one of the most costly repairs on a property. Cost of repairs can range from $1,000 to $20,000, depending on the circumstances of the problem area, including but not limited to length of pipe needing repair and accessibility, meaning how difficult it is to get to the problem area. The sewer line is something that is in use every day in most properties, and it is important to keep it functioning properly. What is the inspector looking for? Material type: PVC, ABS, clay, cast iron or Orangeburg. Damaged or crushed pipe. Cracks and fractures in your sewer lines affect the structural integrity of your pipelines. They also allow the infiltration of clean groundwater into your wastewater system. Root growth penetration. The inspection camera was unable to pass this point without risk of being stuck. As the trees in your yard send out roots to gather nutrients, these roots may encounter your sewer line. Offsets, misaligned joints. The most common problem caused by offset joints is the bottlenecks they can create. This means that anything flowing through your pipes will get caught up on the lip of the offset and eventually cause a bigger clog. Bellied sections. Sewer line bellies are sags or low spots in sewer lines. A bellied sewer line interferes with the normal flow of wastewater through the pipe, leading to backups and other problems because the water and sediment collects in the belly. Signs you need a sewer line inspection. You see lush patches or extra green grass. Unfortunately, this doesn't mean someone painted your grass for you, but could perhaps be a sewer leak contributing to it. Sewer water that leaks out fertilizes the grass and causes this to happen. It makes it an easy sign to look for when you are walking around the yard of the property you are thinking about purchasing. Large trees in the yard. Depending on where you are looking for a property, you could be blessed with large trees in the yard. However, these can be a curse instead of a blessing and more of a reason to have a sewer scope inspection done. Unfortunately, these tall trees have roots that can grow into the sewer line or wrap around it and break it. A sewer scope can pick this up to see if it is indeed going on. The property is more than 25 years old. It is nice when you can find a property that is this old, as they have character and look charm. However, be careful about pipes that were made of clay in homes built before and in 1984. The clay pipes are easily crushed and need to be examined to make sure they are not cracked or broken. If the property does not have the clay pipes, maybe it has copper? Look at the home inspection report to see what type of material your pipes are made of. There is water backing up in the property drainage systems. When this happens, it could be a clog in the drain or it could be an issue with the sewer line. You might think that the city should be responsible for the sewer line, but they aren't, except for the main sewer line. This starts past your property boundaries. Unfortunately, the homeowner is responsible for the lower and upper lateral lines, which are the other parts of the sewer line on the owner's property. There is shifting or movement of the ground. This is also another sign that there is a problem with the sewer. Unfortunately, moving soil or ground can cause the sewer line to break or offset. At the end of the day, a sewer scope gives you peace of mind, knowing you won't have any unexpected costly repairs in the near future of your sewer line. To be quite frank, you're about to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars on a property. It would be imprudent not to spend a few $100s that could potentially save you several thousands of dollars in the future. Sewer Line Inspection for 3079 Fernheath Lane, Costa, Mesa, California 92626. We are now entering the main sewer line cleanout, located at the front entry walkway. There is a two-way cleanout installed in the front of the property. A two-way sewer cleanout differs from other cleanouts, because it allows hydro jets and drain snakes access to both sides of the pipe. The side going into your home, and the side going the city sewer line. First, we will enter the cleanout, headed towards the property. The material type appears to be an epoxy lining. Epoxy pipe lining is often viewed as an alternative to replacing the old piping with a completely new system. In theory, the lining process involves coating the inside of the pipes with an epoxy resin to seal off pinholes and corrosion, creating a lasting solution to solving your pipe problems. This is where the waste lines drain into the Upper Sanitary Sewer Lateral. They appear to be cast iron piping. Corrosion and scaling observed. There is corrosion and scaling throughout the cast iron piping. We will now enter the secondary cleanout, headed towards the main city sewer line. The material type appears to be an epoxy lining. We are now entering a junction point into the lower sanitary sewer lateral. This is the end of the sanitary sewer lateral, and the beginning of the main city sanitary sewer line. Thank you for allowing reliable property inspection to be of service. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Once again, thank you.